Hey there, welcome back to this Clark's Cleaning and Home Improvement channel. Today we're diving into one of the coolest smart home tools out there, robot mops. You've probably heard of robot vacuums, but what about the mopping side of things? Do they actually work? Are they just fancy gadgets or true game changers for your home? Stick around because I'm going to break it all down. How they work, what to look for, top models, pros and cons, and whether one of these belongs in your house. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a robot mop? It's a smart device designed to automatically clean your hard floors. Think tile, laminate, hardwood, using water, cleaning solution, and pads. Most of them come with sensors, a water tank, and a reusable or disposable cleaning pad. Some models are just mops. Others are 2-in-1 combo machines that both vacuum and mop in one go. You fill the tank, press a button, or schedule a cleaning, and the robot glides across the floor, wiping away dirt, dust, and sticky messes. It's like having a little cleaning assistant that doesn't complain. Robot mops work in a few different ways depending on the model. Some use a vibration system to scrub the floor, like the iRobot Braava Jet M6. Others rely more on just dragging a damp pad. Great for light cleaning but not as strong for dried spills. They usually navigate using a combination of infrared or laser sensors, room mapping, and obstacle detection. High-end models can even detect carpet and avoid it. Very handy if you don't want wet messes where they don't belong. And the best part? Many of these robots connect to apps, so you can control them with your phone, set schedules, and even choose which rooms to clean. Let's talk about some of the best robot mops you can get in 2025. First up, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This is a beast. It vacuums and mops, automatically empties its bin, washes the mop pad, and even refills the water tank. It's basically the Tesla of floor cleaning. Next, we have the iRobot Braava Jet M6. If you're already using a Roomba, this is a great sidekick. It offers precision jet spray, great app control, and learns your floor plan for smart targeting. And then there's the Ecovacs Dbot T20 Omni, another smart option. It lifts the mop when crossing carpet, self-cleanse, and works with voice assistants like Alexa. Prices range from $250 to $1,400, so there's something for every budget. But like with most tech, you get what you pay for. So should you get one? Let's break it down. Pros: saves time and effort, great for everyday maintenance, works on a schedule, some can vacuum and mop, fun to use and tech-friendly. Cons: can miss heavy stains or corners, need regular maintenance, empty tank, clean pad, not ideal for deep cleaning. High-end models are pricey. Robot mops are amazing for keeping floors clean between deep cleans. But if you're expecting it to scrub off mud or dried spaghetti sauce, you might still need to get down and do some manual work. If you're a busy parent, have pets, or just don't want to mop ever again, a robot mop is worth looking into. They're also great for people in apartments, especially with tile or laminate floors. Less work, more chill. But if your home has mostly carpet or you love deep cleaning every weekend, you might not get as much value out of one. So, there you have it, robot mops in 2025. They're smarter, more powerful, and definitely cooler than ever. If you're looking to save time and keep your floors fresh with minimal effort, this might be the upgrade your home needs. Let me know in the comments. Do you already use one? Are you thinking about it? And if you want reviews, side-by-side comparisons, or a cleaning challenge video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.